Hi there everyone, it's Kieran here at John Banks Suzuki, Bury St Edmunds. Today we're showing you around our lovely big old lump that is the Toyota RAV4. Gorgeous car, packed full of the latest and greatest technology. Really good spec on this one. It is the XL V-Matic TSS 5-door. It's automatic, as I said, petrol, 2 litre and only £180 a year to tax. It's got things on it like Bluetooth, rear parking cameras, front and rear sensors, daytime running lights on there as well. Good cruise control system. Like I said, there's a lot going on in this car. It's got this lovely burgundy maroon colour to it. Really nice alloy wheels, lovely coloration there as well. As you come down, you have got keyless entry too. Full leather seats on the inside. You've got there your media, so your sat nav, Bluetooth, dual zone climate control. These nice side steps as well. So much room in the back. Loads and loads of room. Enough for 3 full-size adults. Tow bar fitted, automatic tailgate. As you can see there, it's all-wheel drive system. Got here your mat, and then space, full-size space tyre under there. Button just up here. And as we move around into this side, I'll quickly jump in. You can see leg room is ridiculous. There's your automatic gear stick. You can see all your functions as well. And then up there you've got all your systems and your multifunction steering wheel. So much packed into this car. It is an absolute bargain for what you're getting. So much car for its money. Look at that. Little spoiler up there too. All 4 windows, as you expect, are electric. You've got memory seats on here as well, electric. So forward and backwards. Seat goes backwards there as well and forwards. As we step in, we'll start from the right. You can see you've got your lane keep assist on there, start stop button, descent, hill descent assist, your cruise control just there. There's adaptive cruise control as well, along with your speed limiter functions. This controls all your bits on the screen. You can see your miles per gallon and everything like that. Over on this side, you've got your volume control and radio control for over here. So pop them to there, confirm. Sat nav enabled, ready to go. Your media button. There we
Cancel.
go. And there we go. Bluetooth, DAB, AM, FM, and Toyota's little AHA system that I still haven't worked out. There we go, and then all your setup and everything there. Once you come down here, you'll see you have also got your heated seats. You've got automatic stop start, eco mode and sport mode, so lots of functionality and variations there. 12-volt power supply, USB charging port and an auxiliary cable spot as well. Brakes nice and easy, pop it into reverse. There's your reverse camera, neutral, and then drive. Pop that back up there. Lots of storage in here as well. Space for your phone. And storage in there. There we go. There's lovely stitching as well. White stitching on the leather. Nice standout which carries on along all of the front here as well. Your dual zone climate control. You can have hot one side, cold the other, so no arguments. There we go. Lovely build quality all round. So this RAV4 is available. It's here at our site in Bury St Edmunds. And if you'd like to know more or would like to pop along and have a look at it, we're at Morton Hall, Kempston Way, IP32 7AR. Or if you'd like to know more information, please do give us a call on 01284 715 028. And we look forward to seeing you soon. All the best, take care.